This is a York packaged heat pump at a portable building. As you can see, it is pretty frozen over. I'm still debating whether or not to stick around and see if it defrosts, because it is raining and snowing. Not very pleasant out right now. Just thought it was worth filming. And it is a little bit noisy. And I believe the thermostat is set to 72. Solid ice. And I do not know if it has electric backup strip heat. I'm sure it does. In southeastern Pennsylvania, I am sure it probably has backup heat. Yeah, I don't feel like standing out here in the rain waiting for it to defrost. Just thought it would be cool to videotape it all frozen up. I don't think I have any videos of packaged heat pumps on my channel yet. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out.